Wireless printer on your computer so you can print remotely. We'll show you how to connect your printer to Wi-Fi and how to set up your printer on your computer. If your printer has a display screen, find Settings in the screen's menu. This process may differ depending on the model of your printer. Then open Network Settings or Network Connection. Select Wi-Fi Setup, then Wi-Fi Setup Wizard or Network Setup. Your printer will begin searching for networks. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list of available names. Then enter your password. If your printer doesn't have a screen, plug one end of a USB cable into your computer and the other end into the printer, then perform the Setup Wizard. Depending on your printer model, the Setup Wizard is either started from a CD or an installer file downloaded from the manufacturer's website. Once finished, you can unplug the USB and continue to use your printer wirelessly. Once your printer is connected to your home network, you'll need to add the printer to your computer or another device with printing capabilities. On your Windows computer, click on the Start menu and select Settings or Control Panel, depending on the version of Windows you're using. Select Devices or Devices and Printers, then Add a printer. Select your printer from the list of available printers and then select Add Device. If your printer isn't listed in available printers, click "The printer that I want isn't listed" and follow the prompts. And that's it! That's how to set up your wireless printer so you can print remotely.